It's the end of the line for a notorious auto thief who victimizes car owners via a rental car ripoff scheme. Agents of the NCR Highway Patrol Group laid and carried out a successful dragnet operation for suspect alias Darwin at a Pasay City gas station that our Ryan Lisiges details in this report.
A man suspected to be behind several reported cases of rantangay was no longer able to put up a fight when he was cornered at a gas station on Macapagal Boulevard in Pasay City. He was immediately subdued and forced to lie face down and was handcuffed by the police. Police noticed that several men seemed to be lingering in the area, watching and waiting. The operatives immediately drew their guns on these men and ordered them to lie face down.
Maraming tao doon sa mismong area. Kaya naman yung ating mga nag-serve nitong pong ating operation, talaga naman din pong nagkaroon ng threat sa part nila. Kaya naging ganun yung sitwasyon.
Apart from the arrest warrant of which he is subject to, the suspect known as alias Darwin allegedly also victimized countless others. But his days of freedom ended when he agreed to meet a buyer he had offered a motorcycle to. An operation was immediately carried out.
Pwedeng piyasahin na po niya yan or kundi man ibenta sa ibang tao na tumatanggap din ng hindi, lalo't example po, no, kung hindi ito nakapangalan sa kanya. Gayong basta po andyan yung physical na kotse.
One of the suspect's victims, Jenny, shared her story. She said she lent the suspect her brand new car for 3,000 pesos for 2 days. However, she grew anxious when the suspect failed to return the vehicle on the agreed date.
Tiwala naman po ako. So, pinahiram ko naman po siya. Usapan namin, babalik sa akin ng November 1. Noong October 30, hanggang 31, nakakontak ko pa naman siya. Pagdating ng November 1, hindi ko na siya makontak. Tapos, marami na akong chat sa kanya. Sabi ko sa kanya, pakibalik naman kuya yung sasakyan ko.
The suspect refused to give any statement. According to the PNP-HPG, the suspect may have accomplices and could be part of a larger group involved in rantangay. From PTV Manila, Ryan Lisiges, Balitang Pambansa.